Hello everyone, I am Parth and with me is Umesh from Shahid Bhagat Singh College in the EY Kafta Financial Case Competition, presenting our comprehensive strategies to mitigate financial risk for ABC Limited. Let's start with an executive summary. Our objective is to develop a robust hedging framework for ABC Limited to manage various financial risks. We have addressed key questions such as managing currency risk in Nigeria, hedging floating rate loans, and creating a commodity hedging framework for coal. Our overview includes ABC Limited having a significant revenue streams and substantial exposure to financial risk, including currency, interest rate, and commodity risk. We have conducted a value at risk analysis to offer an overview of potential financial risk where we considered 95% confidence level and 10% volatility for currency risk, 5% volatility for interest risk, and 15% for commodity risk. Talking about the currency risk strategies in Africa, we recommend currency swaps to stabilize NGN to USD cash flows, forward contracts, applying natural hedging to align currency inflows with outflows, local currency financing, and diversifying suppliers. Then coming words, import-export risk involved. To manage ABC Limited's currency risk, we recommend a four-step process: identifying exposure, choosing a hedging strategy, implementing instruments, and ultimately mitigating risk. We also specifically suggest using forward contract, natural hedging, currency swaps, option contracts, maintaining multi-currency accounts, and selecting stable currencies for invoicing. Leveraging generative AI will give us further ease as AI models enable predictive analysis, forecasting currency movements with improved accuracy for proactive management, automated trading systems, risk assessment, scenario analysis, and sentimental analysis. Over to Umesh.
Okay. Clause Crafter, the Gen AI application tool which is designed for the implementation of all the tools from predictive analysis to sentimental analysis to predict future currency movement based on predefined rules and AI-driven guides. Okay, to forecast the USD INR pair for the next 6 months, we propose ARIMA approach, which are 4 5 step process. First one is ADF, ACF, PACF using AIC criterion to develop the best parameters, and finally regression analysis to forecast the process. Over to next slide, which we have designed a concept dashboard to visualize real-time forecast for daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly periods, making our insight both accessible and actionable. For interest rate risk hedging, USD 500 million floating rate loan, we propose fixed rate swap converting floating to fixed interest rate cap at a premium cost involved and scenario analysis based on different rate scenario to strategy based on global rate changes. Commodity hedging framework to manage coal prices. Our framework include risk assessment, setting objectives, selecting financial instrument, review and adjustment, monitoring and reporting, and implementation. All the assumptions being taken are on this slide. Next is KPI, key performance indicator for navigating hedging effectiveness. There is an hedge ratio targeting 70 to 90% of exposure to be host. Cost of hedging, which is 2% of the hedge value. PNL impact, variance reduction, counterparty exposure, etc.